Hey guys, Mitchell here. Adding payroll to your accounting firm can feel a bit like deciding to get a puppy. It sounds like a great idea, but then you think about all the work, the costs, the training, and let's be honest, the occasional mess. If you've been going back and forth on this, you're not alone. We hear the same fears all the time. Do I really want to run a payroll company? How much is this going to cost me up front? Well, I need to hire a whole new team to manage it. And my personal favorite, is this going to derail everything I already have going on? Let me reassure you, these fears are valid. Payroll can be a huge stress, but it can also be a huge positive addition. And that's why we created the Whirks Partner Program, to give accounting firms like yours the chance to add payroll services without the headaches. Think of it like borrowing a luxury car for the weekend. You get to enjoy all the perks without committing to the maintenance. Now let's tackle the first big fear. Do I really want to build a payroll company? Running payroll isn't just another add-on. It can feel like creating an entirely new business inside of your firm. It's a fair question to ask. Does this fit into my long-term plan? But here's the thing, you don't have to dive in head first. With our partner program, you can ease into it. Start small, offering payroll to a few clients and growing at your own pace. So whether you're dreaming of scaling your firm to sell it, or just looking to increase value with more services, we've got your back. No pressure to build an empire overnight. Fear number 2 is it's too expensive to get started. And I get it. Payroll tech can be pricey, and no one wants to write a big check before they're sure it'll pay off. But here's the good news. With our partner program, you don't have to shell out for expensive software up front. We bring the tech. And it's not just any tech, it's human capital management technology that's as fancy as it sounds. It handles everything from hiring to retirement. So you're equipped to serve clients at every step without the financial risk. Let's move on to fear number 3. How many people will I need to hire? The idea of building a whole payroll team can sound like a logistical nightmare. Hiring, training, managing, who has time for that? But here's the reality, you don't need a payroll army. With the right tools and processes, you can run a lean operation. Just 1 or 2 people can handle it. We'll show you how to automate the boring stuff, streamline the rest, and make it all work with the resources you already have. Easy, right? And now for the big one. Will this distract from my core services? It's a valid worry. But what if payroll could actually enhance your practice? When you integrate payroll with your existing services, everything runs smoother. No more chasing down data from separate systems. Your accounting team can get books out faster, and your clients, they'll love having everything handled in one place. Bonus points, payroll makes your services stickier. When clients rely on you for both accounting and payroll, they're more likely to stick around for the long haul. And who doesn't love loyal clients? So here's the bottom line. You don't have to go all in on payroll right out of the gate. Whether you want to test the waters with just a few clients or turn it into a major revenue stream, we're here to help you grow at your own pace. Adding payroll doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right tools, support, and guidance, it can become one of the smartest decisions you make for your firm. More efficiency, stronger client relationships, and yes, more revenue. If you're still weighing the pros and cons, don't forget to think about the real costs. Staffing, compliance, software, and those hidden expenses nobody tells you about. And hey, if you want to explore how payroll can fit into your firm without the guesswork, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. And here's to making smart, stress-free decisions for your business. See you next time.